Today we're gonna do a review on the noise level for the Champion 4000 series generator. I just happen to have here two of them. We're gonna try the test on one, and then they say that every 10 decibels is twice as much, twice as loud. So we're gonna do those kind of things. And we're both gonna see that. It's 46.9, 46, 47. When you think everything is quiet in the city, it's really not. So it's kind of, they say that those generators are 68 decibels, but it's kind of unfair when we put in a noise over an existing noise. So right now we're starting at 47, and then when I start running that one, I don't know if it's gonna read 68, that's what they say it is, or it's gonna read more. But or when they do the test, they do it in a very, very quiet on the middle of the night or out in the desert, and then they say 68 decibel. But for right now, without doing anything, just by the city noise, it's very quiet here in this neighborhood, but it's still noise that you probably can have a conversation with somebody and you think it's quiet around here, but it's not. Everything adds up to 47 decibels as it is right now without having any other outside noise. Something else that we can consider also is that when you having a conversation inside the house, like I tried and tested myself, and when you're having a conversation with your kids or with your wife, a regular conversation, it reads 70 decibel. That way you have a base of what a decibel can be compared to something. Your regular conversation at home is 70 decibel average. And when you're outside in a park, like right now, I'm outside. I'm not at a park, but still outside. And when I have a regular conversation with somebody, it goes to 80 decibels because we don't notice, but we adapt ourselves to the environment. And it still, we think that we're still holding the same voice level, but it's not, because this thing here says that we are talking at 80 decibels when we are outdoors. Okay, so that is 100 decibel. At 100 decibel next to it. I went around it and everything is about 100 decibel. This, where the camera is 15 feet exactly. Then I'm gonna move it to 20 feet. So let's see what it reads here. "74.7. When I speak, it goes up because it adds to my noise. Right there at 75, 15 feet, 75, and I will explain the difference. I'm gonna move to 20 feet right now and still read it. Okay, now the camera is exactly at 20 feet. Let's check both of us, let's see what it reads, okay? "73. 73, so 75 at 15 and 73 at 20 feet away from the noise. It's very important to know how far the person that's gonna complain about the noise is. Like if you're camping and everybody's camping, they all gonna have some kind of generator, so that means also some kind of noise. So if we're camping, you know we have to sacrifice something to get along with the neighbors and to be happy. We all going to have a good time. So let's also think that they're not going to be less than 20 feet next to you, because that's how they separate the spaces at the campground. So it's really going to be 73. Right here, adding the surrounding sound, the environment noise from the city, we get, what was it? 73 at 20 feet. is probably where your next the neighbor gonna be at the campground. So 73 decibel, and next to it is 100 rather than 68 that they're advertising for. Okay, so now this is another very important deal. They say that every 10 decibels is twice as loud. So I have two generators, and we're gonna turn that other generator next to it, running both at the same time, and let's see if we get double the decibel, which it shouldn't be. We should only get 10 decibels about this one, about running only one. So we're running two. I'm gonna start the other one just to see if the other one is a little bit louder than this one. So if we get 15 feet, I'm gonna measure as 15 feet. I'm gonna go right next to it first, around it, and see what we get. We have a winner because both of the machines read exactly the same right next to it. Now we'll turn the other one on and see if we get only twice as much, which should be only 10 decibels on the scale, on the measurement tool right here. Right now, both of them are running, and let's find out if what they say that every 10 decibels is twice as loud. You know, it's kind of funny putting this between both of the machines running at the same time with the same noise. Individual read 100. Putting this on between both of them, it still read 100. Let me check again. Now we should read it from here, right? It used to be 75, and now I'm getting, I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but it reads, let me quiet down to see, I think it says 70 something. It stays on 78. It goes from 77 point something to 80 point to 78 point something, but it stays back to 78. We're gonna call it 78. Yeah, 78. But only one machine sends 75 from 15 feet, and running both of them only 78, so only 5 decibels more. Unbelievable. I can say that I'm happy with the result because the neighbor have another generator that's creating noise, so mine is not going to make much difference on his. So do 75 decibels from here, only 5 decibels different when we're running both of them. So I think everybody's going to be happy at the campground.